done so much for me, I cannot tell it all.
I am very much concerned about the increasing rate of corruption, both in private and public institutions. The media has been filled with reports of some members of public institutions getting huge sums of money for no clear reason at the expense of hospitals that are really in bad shape, with not enough drugs and medical practitioners, schools being underfunded, poor roads, among others. Corruption is not only a legal and a governance issue. It is also a deeply spiritual and moral issue. It reflects a heart that has turned away from God and from loving other people, loving neighbors. This Easter, we must repent, renew our hearts, and develop empathy for others. We must look beyond ourselves and uphold integrity, justice, and accountability for the good of all Ugandans. On 31st March 2025, we launched the Church of Uganda's Strategic Planning Framework 2026 to 2030 at Zibla Hotel, Masaka City. I am grateful to Professor Augustus Nwagaba, the Deputy Governor of Bank of Uganda, for gracing the event as our chief guest, and Dr. Julian Bajendera, our consultant, for her great work in putting the framework together.